And Merry flipping Christmas to you all. It is Christmas morning. Well, it's Christmas day. I don't know what time you're going to be watching this video, but Merry Christmas everyone. I hope you're having an amazing Christmas, an amazing Yule, and I hope that December has been fabulous for you all. I also hope that you've been enjoying Vlogmas. There's been so many people doing Vlogmas this year. It's been amazing. So I'm going to get into opening the advent calendars. Now we don't have that many left because a few of them were 24-day ones. So the Soap and Glory one has now finished. The Airwick one has now finished. We do have something in our Sleek one. Actually, I'm going to go into the one that I made myself first. And I do think also that the L one has finished. So, I did actually mention a little, I did speak a bit yesterday about the Elle magazine majigger and my opinion on it. And I did speak about how the fact that it is more expensive. But then I literally just clicked on then, it's the most expensive one that I bought, but there's actually only 24 days in it as well. That's just something to think about. You've got your Glossy Box and your Look Fantastic one, and they both have 25 days. Obviously, the Body Shop one as well. So that is something to think about. The Elle, I'm really pleased with so many of the products that came in the Elle one, but for the price and the fact that it was only 24 days, that might just be something that you might want to think about. I'm just going to put that out there. So let's go into this one, and it's day 25, and unfortunately, I know it's in here and it's not that cracking. It's what actually came in the Body Shop one last year for day 25. Are you game for trivia? How to play? The fun isn't over yet. This time to try your hand at trivia with your game changer quiz. Flip the box over to review. So it's just like the questions and stuff that were on. It's not that exciting. It's just a little, what is it thing. I couldn't think what to put in number 25. I'm really sorry if this is a disappointment to you. But it's fine because we still have 1, 2, 3, 4 calendars to unbox. And I'm hoping that because it's Christmas Day and these are number 25 ones, that they're going to be really good. And Mercedes did tell me that one of them, she either told me the Look Fantastic or the Glossy Box has something really good that I'm really going to like. So I'm really, really excited to get into it. So I'm going to open the Sleek one now. This one was, I think, like 35 quid. Really affordable. Let's have a look in day 25. Oh, so nothing too exciting in day 25 for the Sleek one. It's just a lipstick. And actually, it's kind of a disappointing one. That sounds probably really silly. But I feel like we've had much, much better things in this calendar. And even like the other lips that we've received have been like the matte liquid lips and things. I feel like they were even better. So I don't really know why they chose to put this one in day number 25. But it is a nice colour. It's a nice brown. It's coming off really red on camera, but it's definitely more of a brown than a red. But yeah, it's a cute little brownie lipstick from Sleek. Now I will just speak a little bit about the Sleek calendar. Oh yeah, it says 35 quid there. I think for what you get in it, I'm really pleased with that. I think it was really, really cute. Whether I'll get it again next year, I'm not really sure, because obviously, I don't know, it depends whether it's going to be samey or not. It might end up being quite samey. The M&S one I got 2 years in a row, and I do feel like that was quite a samey one. And that's the reason why I haven't gone with it this year. It's the reason why I haven't gone with the Makeup Revolution one again this year, because I just know that I'm going to get a lot of the same products, and yeah. So I didn't go for those this year. But let's go into the Glossy Box and see what we've got in there. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. I don't know whether I should open this one last. I'm sure she said Glossy Box, you know. She might have said Look Fantastic, I can't remember. Oh my god, it's some kind of palette. I can't even open it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm so excited! Oh my god, it's a Huda Beauty palette! Oh my god, oh my god! I should have opened this one last. Why did I open this one last? Oh, no, no, no. It's a Huda Beauty Winter Highlighter Palette. Wait. Seriously, wait right now, you guys. I don't even want to open it. I'm shook right now. Oh my god. Seriously, I'm not touching these pans. You're gonna have to wait for that one, you guys, because there is gonna be a video coming on this. Holy mother of Zeus! So we've got a cream one here, and then 3 powders. I mean, they look like they're going to be quite dark, and I might not even be able to wear them. I think I'll be able to wear this one here. Shut the front door. I should have left this one till last. I knew it! I should have left it till last. I'm so happy. Okay, so let's talk about Glossybox. So I am a Glossybox member, and you will see my Glossybox review videos of each month along with my Birchbox ones, and I always think that the Glossybox is better than the Birchbox one. It's the Huda Beauty palette, you guys. It's a Huda Beauty palette. Is this real? What? Is this what? So I'm just gonna say cheers to that, you guys. Merry flipping Christmas, you guys. Woohoo! Cheers, everybody. So moving on, I'm really pleased with this Glossybox calendar. I think that literally just topped it off big time. So it's a really good calendar. It's the Glossybox one. I think if I had to say between the L and the Glossybox one, it's really difficult because I genuinely can't remember which products came in which box. As for day 25, there wasn't even a day 25 in the L one, so I mean that's saying quite a lot really, isn't it? I think the Glossybox one was definitely worth it. Whether I'll get it again next year, again, is going to depend on whether the items are too samey or not. I'm really pleased because I get the subscription box. I did think it was going to be very samey. I think there probably were a couple of products that maybe I have received previously in a box, but not many. Like, it hasn't stood out to me that there's been a lot of repeats. So it was definitely worth getting this year, and as long as they change it up next year, I will get more next year. Like, I will get it again because that was so good. The Body Shop one has been completely different to last year's one, so yes. But having said that, let's move on to the Body Shop one and see what they've got in store for day number 25. Oh, it's a light one. Okay, so we remember what came in the Body Shop one last year for 25. I hope it's not the same kind of thing. Oh, okay. I'm happy with this. So we've got a little sample here. Oh, it's a British Rose Fresh Plumping Mask. That's definitely one that I need to try out. See, this is something where I might try it and I might end up then buying it from just this tiny little sample. Does that make sense? But we've actually got this, which is really cute, and I'm more than happy to receive this. I did get one of these last year. It wasn't the same one, it was a white one. So again, it's the same product but completely different, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm more than happy to have received this. I think it's so cute and it's so soft. So I have quite a bit to say about the Body Shop one. Well, not quite a bit to say. I'm really pleased with it. This, I believe, is the equivalent to that one last year, and the products were just completely different. Completely different. In terms of getting one of the cheaper ones, you might have had a lot of repeat products from... Because it's not the same calendar, does that make sense? So they have like 4 or 5 different versions each year. And I'm guessing if you go for the same version each year, they've changed it up a lot. So those two, I believe, were the same version and they had completely different things in them. But if you was to go for, say, that one last year and then the one down from it this year, you might have ended up with a lot of the same product. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense, because I know exactly what I'm trying to say. But yeah, so Body Shop, like, really pleased with that. I think this year's was better than last year's. Like, I loved Body Shops this year's. I love Glossybox too. It's a freaking Huda Beauty palette. I'm so excited. Right, let's just see what Look Fantastic has got. And yeah. And we, ooh, no, we have an Illamasqua product, you guys. Where are my scissors when I need them? Oh, okay, never mind. Oh. I literally don't even, what? Okay, this is an Illamasqua highlighter. I need to swatch this one. I need to swatch this one. Oh wait, let me swatch it on my other hand. Oh my god. Oh, you're not even going to be able to see. You can't see anything right there, can you? Oh, almost. I love it. Oh, I really like that. That is such a shade for me as well because it's so pale, you guys. It's an Illamasqua highlighter, a full-size Illamasqua powder highlighter. There's a little mirror in there. It's in the shade Deity, or Deity, however you want to say it. I'm shooketh right now. I feel like Christmas Day has been a good day for these, at least those two did really, really well for Christmas Day. I think maybe like some of them haven't really, you know, I don't know, like I feel like the Sleek one definitely didn't do anything special for Christmas Day, New Year's Day. I feel like the Sleek one definitely didn't do anything special for New Year's Day. It was just a regular lipstick. But I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. I just feel like they've just picked the products and just put them all in random days. Whereas I do feel like at least Glossybox and Look Fantastic went, right, what's the best product we've got in here? That's going in day 25. Does that make sense? Both of them have done full-size products. So we've got two full-size products of a really good, not so affordable brands. So I think they are really, really nice. If you were to receive a Christmas present and this was your Christmas present that you opened, you'd be over the moon. Like if my boyfriend got me this for Christmas, I'd be like, babe! Or this, like, do you know what I mean? Whereas like just this little lipstick, it's not that exciting. Bearing in mind that the Sleek palette was only £35 and I think it was a really, really good palette. A really, really good calendar. So yeah, I think for me, Body Shop, Look Fantastic. Although I haven't loved Look Fantastic's products throughout, the Christmas Day one has like blown me away. The Glossybox one, really, yeah, like I rated them all. They're all really good calendars. And again, like the Sleek one and the Soap and Glory one, they were much, much cheaper. And the products that came in there, I think you got a really good variety, a really good try of different products from the brands. So, I think I've said enough. I think I've kind of given you an overview of my opinions of these palettes. Really, like, getting these on Christmas Day, you'd be just, wouldn't you? Like, if your mum bought you this palette for Christmas, or if, like, your best mate were just like, oh yeah, just cheeky little Illamasqua highlighter in there for you, like, Merry Christmas. Come on. Well worth it. Well worth it. I'm so, so pleased I've done. What did Look Fantastic do for last Christmas? It wasn't as good as this, was it? I can't remember. What was the Christmas Day one? I don't even know because I did get Look Fantastic last year. Anyway, I'm going to stop jabbering. Blah, 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 blah. Merry Christmas, everyone. I hope you're having an amazing Christmas. I hope you've enjoyed Vlogmas. Please do leave me comments down below. I am honestly wishing you all the best Christmas ever. And thank you all for supporting me and supporting my channel and this series, and I just love you guys so, so much. Merry Christmas, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye!